What's going on? Matt over here, Gen 5 DIY. Today we're bringing you a brand new product for the 2011 to 2020 Dodge Charger. Now this is a rapid fire third brake light. What this does is when you hit your brake light, or your brakes on your car, your center third brake light that is behind your window, behind us, it will flash 3 times and really get the attention of the people behind you. It's a really cool feature. We're gonna show you how to install it, and we'll also show you what it looks like when you hit the brake pedal. Let's do it. Okay, so we're chilling in the back seat. Your third brake light is right behind, well, it's on the top side of the window. Now, you're gonna think you're removing this. You're not. This actually won't come off. You're gonna have to drop the back of your headliner, which is literally held in with a couple, there's gonna be green color clips. There's a clip here, there's a clip here, there's a clip here, clip here. Basically, we're just gonna pry down just a little bit. If you have a finishing tool, this works a little bit better, but you can hear how that pulls down, just like that. So that gives us access up here. I'm gonna hand off the camera to Jared so I can get up in here and unplug this and show you how this installs. The harness here, we're basically gonna be unplugging a plug that looks like this, and we'll show you what it looks like up there. But the receiving end, this is what I wanted to show you. So there's a little pin that slides into this big slot. You'll need a pick tool, flathead screwdriver, something small that's gonna allow you to get in there and push in and disengage that lock pin. So that way we can unplug the current plug, and then we'll plug it into here, and then this plugs into what we're unplugging. So let's get up in there. So we have the headliner pulled down. Again, you don't want to pull too hard on this. You can see these clips in here. I don't know if the camera can see them right now, but based on that. But the plug that we want to get to is right here. Oh. So you just kind of push on that, unplug it. That's going to get our cable out. We'll get our new harness. Plug that in there, and this will now tuck up into your headliner. And there's the new locking pin. And this is going to be probably the hardest part. And pick tool. Where are you? Stab myself in the finger. There we go. It's plugged in. Now we want to verify on the outside it works before we stamp that all in place. Do it again. And it works. So now all we have to do is just push the headliner back into position, and you'll hear the snaps of the clips. I think yours snapped that. Yeah, it's on there. Good to go. Install complete. But there you have it. That is the rapid fire third brake light for the Dodge Charger 11 to 20 plus. Check it out, link down below in the description. If you guys have any questions, hit us up at info@gen5diy.com, and we'll see you in the next one.